Finally, Arif says, how much Zamzam water do we have to add to normal water for it to also become Zamzam water? This is a misconception that a lot of the Muslims believe, that they can keep on adding water to little amount of Zamzam and the whole thing would become Zamzam. This is not true. Adding normal water to Zamzam water would give it some of the blessing of Zamzam. And yes, it can be also used to heal and cure illnesses like Zamzam, but it depends on the amount. So if one has a liter of Zamzam and another person has 100 milliliters of Zamzam and adds 900 milliliters of normal water, would they be the same? Of course not. The one with the 1 liter pure Zamzam has more benefits and healing powers and answering of the dua and barakah than the one that has 100 milliliters and added 900 milliliters of normal water to it. Nevertheless, this is better than normal water at all, because it has this little amount of Zamzam. So the scholars say it all depends on the ratio. The more the Zamzam water is, the more blessing and healing power it has with the grace of Allah Azza wa Jal. And hence, if someone were to make an oath and says, if I drink other than Zamzam, I will nullify my oath. And he drinks this water that has 900 milliliters of normal water and 100 milliliters of Zamzam. Scholars say he has to expiate his oath because he did not fulfill it, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.